In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best resistance bands in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. While most resistance bands are generally affordable, Fit Simplify's best-selling set is almost shockingly inexpensive. The 5 loops range from extra light to extra heavy resistance and are made from heavy-duty, tear-free latex. Stash them in the accompanying bag for on-the-go strength training exercises wherever your feet may take you. Not everyone needs resistance bands for hardcore strength training, and the Fit Simplify resistance loop exercise bands are simply great for anyone looking to add a little more resistance to their HIIT routine. They're ideal for at-home physical therapy, too. We appreciated the simplicity. Each package consists of just 5 resistance bands, available in multicolor, berry, or pink, in a nylon pouch. A short use and maintenance pamphlet is also included. Be warned, these bands are built to, eventually, fail. According to the pamphlet, each band is rated for 9,000 individual stretches with normal use. That being said, they don't feel particularly cheap. In our testing, each band was pleasantly stretchy as we used them for vertical and horizontal arm extensions. They remind us of cheaper resistance bands we've been given by physical therapists in the past. You get what you pay for, and that's not a bad thing with these super simple bands. They won't last forever, but they'll get the job done on the cheap. Number 4. Loop bands and tube bands are optimal for total body workouts, but if your main goal is to improve your pull-up game, the Serious steel-assisted pull-up bands are an ideal choice. Power bands are designed for use with our own body weight, and they are different from other styles of resistance bands because they're longer, thicker, and made for heavier weight use. We found them to be great for pull-ups, though they weren't ideal for exercises like bicep curls or squats because of their tougher composition. Since the Serious Steel set included 4 bands with multiple resistance options, testers of all experience levels were able to use the bands safely. One of our testers noted she liked having the option to start with an easier band that offered more resistance during her pull-ups and work her way up to using a band that offered less resistance, almost mimicking a bodyweight pull-up. Number 3. Gorilla Bow is an extremely unique take on resistance band training. With your purchase, you'll get a free 30 days for the interactive programming that goes along with this device, the Gorilla Bow app. After the 30 days is up, a monthly membership is $14.99. You'll get on-demand workout classes that utilize the Gorilla Bow obviously, that fit a variety of skill levels and goals. This makes it a fun option for someone who enjoys interactive programming. I really like the concept of this device. However, I think people used to more intense strength training should go ahead and purchase the heavy resistance bands to use with their Gorilla Bow. The base kit comes with 4 resistance bands that only add up to 110 pounds when used all together. The actual bow itself can support up to 300 pounds of resistance, which is awesome. I would recommend this to someone who isn't necessarily looking for a portable option, because the Gorilla Bow is pretty large. I would also not recommend this to someone who is a true beginner to strength training, because the movements require at least some knowledge of proper form. Number 2. You would be hard-pressed to find a resistance band with better anti-snap features than the Bob Elastic stackable tube resistance bands. They come equipped with a unique intercord safety system that makes the best exercise bands for those who want to avoid getting snapped. This patented design was engineered to ensure that they don't overstretch, which is the most common reason why bands snap. The strong intercord not only prevents overstretching, but also prevents the tube from snapping back at you in the unlikely case that the band breaks. These high-quality bands are made from 100% natural Malaysian latex using the continuous dip method, which reduces the likelihood that they'll stretch out over time. The Bob Elastic stackable tube resistance bands also provide a great range of resistance, starting at 3 pounds and capping off at a maximum of 202 pounds. As the name suggests, these bands are stackable, so you can simply clip on additional bands to the anchor point to increase the tension on any given exercise. If you're not interested in heavy resistance, but still looking for toning body exercises, simply increase the reps without stacking the bands. The patented carabiner clip is coated with fade-resistant nickel and designed to stay upright and keep any stacked bands securely clipped in. In addition to being all-around quality bands, the Latex tube resistance band sets come with 2 non-slip handles, an ankle strap, door anchors, a carrying bag and a PDF guide. They are available in 2 different sets on Amazon. The set of 5 bands offers up to 96 pounds of resistance, and the 7-band setup provides up to 202 pounds of resistance. You'll also want to take advantage of the free training portal, which houses over 5,600 on-demand workouts for muscle building, cardio and flexibility. Number 1. Most exercise resistance bands target specific muscle groups, but the WattaFit resistance band set does it all. The handles, ankle straps, door anchor, and countless ways you can combine the bands to vary the resistance make this one of the more versatile sets. It comes with 5 different bands from 10 to 50 pounds, adding up to a whopping 150 pounds. The steel clips and natural latex make for a durable product. The handles are very comfortable for the hands, and the ankle straps fit a wide range of ankle sizes. The WattaFit is also bulkier than the other options in this review, so it may not be the right pick if you are looking for something small to take with you while traveling. That being said, we love this set. It is lightweight, versatile, durable, and works great for both upper and lower body workouts. If you are looking for a full body set that won't break the bank, the WattaFit is the pick for you. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.